Sulfur combines with oxygen to form two different oxides. In this lesson, we will look at one of its oxides, sulfur-4 oxide. Sulfur-4 oxide gas is a colorless poisonous gas that smells like burning matches. It has a chemical formula of SO2, indicating that it has two oxygen atoms attached to a sulfur atom. The sulfur and oxygen atoms align to form a shape that can best be described as bent. It is a very soluble gas that dissolves in water to form an aqueous solution of trioxosulfate 4 acid, which will turn blue litmus paper red. For this reason, we can classify sulfur-4 oxide gas as an acid anhydride. Sulfur-4 oxide gas is produced in the laboratory by the reaction of sodium or potassium salts of trioxosulfate 4 acid with dilute acids. The apparatus and reagents required for carrying out this preparation in the laboratory include a Bunsen burner, a round bottom flask, retort stand, a thistle funnel, delivery tubes, a conical flask, a gas jar, hydrochloric acid, concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, and sodium trioxosulfate 4. Aqueous sodium trioxosulfate 4 is placed in the round bottom flask in a setup similar to that in this diagram. Next, hydrochloric acid is poured into the flask through the thistle funnel and heat is applied using the Bunsen burner. On heating, a reaction occurs and sulfur-4 oxide gas contaminated with steam is evolved from the solution. The wet gas passes through the delivery tube and enters into the conical flask containing concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, being a drying agent, removes water from the gas, allowing the dry gas to pass through the second delivery tube and to be collected in the gas jar. Note that sulfur-4 oxide gas is very much denser than air, and for this reason, it can be collected by downward delivery in a standing gas jar. Sulfur-4 oxide gas can also be obtained by burning sulfur under controlled conditions. In summary, sulfur-4 oxide gas is a colorless poisonous gas that smells like burning matches. It is an acid anhydride and is very soluble in water. It can be prepared by the reaction of sodium or potassium salts of trioxosulfate 4 acid with dilute acids. It is collected by downward delivery because the gas is very much denser than air. There are still other interesting things to learn about sulfur-4 oxide gas. I look forward to sharing those things with you soon. Bye for now.